Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the time of your Hemisphere S631 receiver from Greenwich Mean Time to whatever your local time zone is. So I recently had a customer call up and he asked how he could make it more clear when his static files were recorded, because he records a lot of them and it can be difficult to tell exactly which one it is, and he doesn't want to do the math of figuring out what GMT time translate to his real life time zone. So what I've done to begin here is I've just logged into my Hemisphere S631 WebUI, and if you want to know how to do that, I've just included a little walkthrough in the description down below. But in the idea of keeping this video a bit shorter, I'm just going to get right into this here. So what I'm going to do to set my time zone is I'm going to head to the top right corner and click on the settings button there. And within the settings menu here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the device configuration tab, and you can see here that I have an option for a time zone. So all the world's time zones are in here, and it's just displayed with a GMT minus or plus a certain time. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to local Kansas time, and that is GMT minus 6. So I'm in Calgary, but the customer that I was showing this for, he was in Kansas, so I'm going to set it to his time zone of GMT minus 6, and then I'm going to hit save. And now if I go and record a point with the GNSS antenna here, it's going to display the local time of Kansas, and all of my static points are going to have my real world time constant on them rather than the Greenwich Mean Time. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out quite a bit and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.